Yogiraj Devraha Baba, the famous Indian saint of miracles, lived in Uttar Pradesh in the northern part of India. There is no historical evidence available about Devraha Baba's birthplace and parents. This Brahma Rishi was an exponent of Ashtanga Yoga and mastered Ashtasiddhis, that is, the special yogic powers. By the pure devotion and austerity in spiritual practices, Baba achieved higher awareness and transcendental knowledge. This miracle saint changed the life of millions of devotees and healed many suffering people. Baba chose Vrindavan, the abode of Lord Sri Krishna, as the main location for his divine play. This great Siddha used to live in a small hut made of wooden logs 12 foot high, roofed with different tree leaves. Baba's presence was mainly on the banks of the holy rivers Ganga, Sarayu, Narmada and Yamuna. To preserve the heavenly powers that attained with years of spiritual practices, Baba maintained his physical body untouched even by his close disciples. This great rishi used to sit on the high wooden platform and had the special way of blessing his devotees with his holy feet. In Haridwar and Prayagraj Kumbh Melas, this great Siddha addressed the public about the importance of Goraksha, that is, the protection of cows, with which the common man can easily tune themselves towards the grace of great rishis and ultimately toward prosperity. Common village people, political leaders, and many prominent personalities from India and abroad waited for hours in the large queue for a glimpse and the divine blessings of this miracle saint. Baba used to practice hours of Jalasamadhi sadhana in the holy rivers during the Brahma Muhurta itself, and used to enter his hut only after sunrise for giving darshan to his devotees. Being an accomplished master of pranayama, this holy Siddha had the divine fragrance around his body. To achieve the higher stages of awareness, the regular practice of Dasha Mudras, that is, the 10 yogic gestures, played an important role. Those special places in the Himalayas where Devraha Baba spent his life with different spiritual practices are now turned as the holy pilgrim centers of the Himalayan seekers and travelers. Being a man of non-violence, all his predictions turned as true. Baba crossed the lifespan of an ordinary man. Among the common public, there exist various opinions about the age of Devraha Baba, but they have unity about the divine powers of this Brahma Rishi. Same family members of different generations received this Himalayan yogi's blessings in Baba's unchanging body condition. It is noted in Indian history that the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, his father and grandfather visited this holy man in his same physical condition itself. This Brahma Rishi had the special yogic power to communicate even with the wild animals and trees. Jungle animals left their wild instincts and become peace-loving in Baba's divine presence. Babool trees left their natural sharp thorns in the secure and holy atmosphere around this holy saint. The same transformation happened in all living beings by this miracle saint's divine presence. Once the safety officials decided to cut down the branches of Vrindavan trees prior to Rajiv Gandhi's visit to Baba's ashram. On that, Devraha Baba expressed his reluctance and asked the workers what answer he can give to those trees who are his genuine friends throughout the day and night. The workers expressed their dilemma that they will lose their jobs by disobeying the commands of their higher officials. Baba consoled them, saying that Rajiv Gandhi's visit won't happen this time. But those ordinary men couldn't properly understand the real meaning of that self-realized master's words. Surprisingly, few hours later, they received the message from Delhi about the cancellation of Prime Minister's visit to Devaraha Baba Ashram. Some days later, Rajiv Gandhi visited Devaraha Baba with the due respect to the Vrindavan trees. Mahatma Gandhi visited this great rishi in Prayagraj. The prominent figures of Indian politics who visited Devaraha Baba are Motilal Nehru, Zakir Hussain, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, A.B. Vajpayee, B.P. Singh, Ashok Singhal, Charan Singh, Madan Mohan Malaviya, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Bhutta Singh, and the list goes on and on. Devaraha Baba spent the last years of his life in Vrindavan, which is the holy abode of Lord Sri Krishna. Baba's Samadhi occurred on the auspicious day of Yogini Ekadashi in 1990, June 19. The Samadhi shrine is on the banks of the holy river Yamuna, which is a place of solace for the whole world spiritual seekers. Yes, we are also having the same divine spark within, which need to lit up by the continuous chanting of Lord's name with pure devotion. And by the practice of various spiritual sadhanas, we also can surely attain the higher stages of awareness. Be blessed by the divine. Hope to meet you soon with another interesting episode of Siddhas. Thank you.